What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to be doing a cabin filter change on a 2016 Cadillac XTS. As I said, this is a 2016, but it'll be the same on several different years. So the tools we're going to need to do this are a Phillips head screwdriver, and we'll also need a number 25 Torx bit, a T25. So once we have those two things, we can go ahead and jump into it. The first thing we need to do is open the glove box. So we'll press our glove box button. That'll come down, and then we need to remove this dampening cord right here. And it's just a loop that's on this catch. So if you just pull down a little bit, and then that loop will come off of there, and you can just let go of that. That'll kind of retract to there and stay there. Now we need to get the glove box down. So what we're gonna do is just get a hold of it like this and pull down. And there's these two stops right here and right here. And I just want you to take note of those because you'll need to push them in to close it. Okay, so once that's down, we can see the screws that we need to remove. So we have a Phillips head screw here, here, right here, and then our number 25 Torx bit is gonna be right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove those 4 screws, and then I will see you in the next shot. Okay, so I just finished taking out those 3 Phillips head screws and that 1 T25 screw. And now this whole assembly right here is gonna pull out. And what we're gonna need to do is just grab a hold of it with both hands and pull straight towards you. And it'll take a decent amount of pressure to do that. So that'll pull off of there like that. These were the clips right here that we're holding it on. So we'll set that to the side. And then looking under here, we can actually see the door to the cabin filter right here. And how we're gonna wanna get that off is if you just get your finger around the side like this. There's a little clip on the side. And that will pull off of there like that. And now we can see the air filter right here. I changed this one before I started filming, so I'm not actually gonna change it. But when you put your new one in, just make sure you pay attention to the airflow indicator. You want those arrows pointing down. So you want the airflow pointing down. Once you have your new one in, we'll go ahead and put this door back on. And just so you know, this door has to go on the right way. There's these 2 little tabs on the one side. So just make sure you have that. It's not interchangeable this way. You need those 2 tabs on the left side. And snap that door back on. And then you reverse everything we just did. Slide that assembly in. Just make sure to line those clips up. Push your assembly in. Put those 4 screws back on. And then go ahead and close your glove box. Just remember, like I mentioned earlier, these tabs right here, you'll kind of, as you close it, you'll just need to push them in. Pretty easy, but just push them in like that, close it, and then remember to hook up your dampening cord. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.